Let's do the next. 1 liter is equal to how many
1000.
grams?
1000.
1000 grams.
Very good. That's 1000 gram. And last one I am giving you that 1000 grams is equal to how many kg?
This next one.
1 kg.
1 kg. 1
1
kg.
kg. That's very good. Okay. So we will be doing practice questions on this only today. Okay. Let's start. Okay. Your first question is
1 plus 1.
who is saying this?
Kushagra. Kushagra.
Convert 1100 centimeters into meters.
Ma'am, Ragini, ma'am.
Okay, now see, the first thing which we all need to write is the conversion unit. So, which conversion unit we will be using here? 1 meter is
Equals to
equal
100
to
centimeters.
100 centimeters. Now, the most important thing which you need to keep in your mind, when we goes from meter to centimeter, means from bigger to smaller unit, we always multiply. What we do? We
Multiply.
always multiply. And when we move from smaller to bigger unit, we always do the
Division.
division. Yes. When we move on from bigger to smaller unit, then we always multiply. When we move on from smaller to bigger unit, then we always divide. Correct? Okay. Now, let's come with this question. When we are coming with this question, we have 1100 centimeters. We need to convert it into meters. So, what we will do? We will divide this by 100. Yes. So when we will divide this by 100, whatever is your quotient will be your meters, and the remaining thing can be your centimeters if you get anything remainder. So let's do 100 ones are 100, 100 ones are 100 minus what did I get? I get 10. Then I will carry my 0 down. Then again 100 ones are 100. So what did I get the answer? I get the answer as 11 meters. Yes? Anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Clear?
No, ma'am.
Let's Ivy and Kush, you both got the answer wrong.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Outstanding.
ma'am, it was a typing mistake, and I don't know why the numbers and the letters were not coming.
Okay, no problem. Let's do another question. Now we will do 3570 centimeters into meters. Yes? Okay. So the first thing, again, we will write our conversion unit. That 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So what we will do the first thing? The first thing we will divide it. Yes? So what we will do? 3570 divided by 100. Why we are dividing? Because we are moving to bigger unit. And whenever we move on to bigger unit, we always divide first. And when we move to smaller to bigger to smaller unit, then we multiply. So here we will be dividing. What quotient you will be getting? That will be your meters, and what remainder you're getting, that is you're going to be centimeters. Very good.
Ma'am, but
Yes.
the question is asking we have to only send the meters.
No, send me in centimeters and meters both.
Okay, ma'am.
Into meters and centimeters. I have
Ma'am,
added
I
it.
was the first one to get both correct.
Oh, that's very good. Very good, Hope. You also get that correct. Nice one.
It is really easy.
Kush got it wrong. Mr. Bedi got it wrong.
Ma'am, I understood the question. In the region, there was a mistake.
Okay. Let's divide them. First, we will divide 100. So we will pick first three numbers. So what we will choose? 3. So what do we get? 300. Then we will subtract. When we will subtract, the remainder will left is 57. Then we will carry the 0. Now, 100 5s is going to become my 500. Then again I subtracted, I got 70. So what should I get my answer? It should be 35 meters
5
and
70
70
centimeters.
centimeter. Now, another way by which we can do it. Okay.
Ma'am, I know. We have done this.
This is 357 centimeters. You need to convert this into centimeters and meters. Okay, the same question I've given. What other way we can choose? First, what's our conversion unit? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now try to understand. We have the number 3570. How many zeros are there? 2. So these two numbers I will move. So what I will get? 35 meters and 70
Ma'am, this one-
centimeters. Yes, we can do this way also. We will ignore the last two numbers. That last two numbers will become my centimeters. And what is remaining is become my meters. Yes? Everyone clear? Okay. Let me give you another question.
Ma'am,
So now your question is convert 1480 into meters and centimeters both. This is centimeter. 1480 is given in centimeters. So everyone is going to first write the conversion unit. Don't forget to write the conversion unit. That's very, very important. Who is
Ma'am,
this
I know.
crown prince today? Let me see. Oh, you're getting good. Every answer correct at one go.
Ma'am, I'm not even writing them.
It's okay. Ivan, your video is off.
Right where I get a kid though.
Let's see.
मैम कुशवंत ने यूनिट नहीं रखी.
Oh, please send the answers in unit. Units are very important. You cannot ignore the units.
Units only.
I think there is something fishy with Kushwant and Veera's answer. So check. You missed out something?
Mom, I sent it.
Hope.
Ma'am, is getting a arrow. Ma'am, I sent the both questions. By mistake, I tapped it once, so that's why Ma'am has done it.
Okay, Nike is left.
Ma'am sent.
Okay,
Yeah.
Kushwant got it correct now.
Ma'am told me the answer only.
Knight got it wrong. Okay, let's do the question. So it should become 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. Now keep remember, we need to move on to the smaller unit. Moving on to smaller unit means, sorry, moving on to bigger unit. Moving on to bigger unit means we need to divide. Yes? So first let's do this one. That 1480, two zeros means two numbers. So what we will get simply 14 meter and 80 centimeters. Yes? Okay. We can choose another way to solve. We can choose the division. What we can do? 1480 divided by 100. 100 ones are 100 minus. We get in the remainder 48. Then again we get the 0. Then it becomes 4. Then 400. We get 80. What is my remainder? Is my centimeters. And what is my quotient? Is my meters.
Ma'am, we can, but easy way is that we that easy way is that 1480 that one.
Yes, but you should be knowing both the ways. Yes?
I know
Of
both
course,
the ways. I've
easy
done both
easy
ways.
way is that one. I totally agree. Okay? Clear with the question? Okay, that's good. Okay, another question. Next question for you all is, now make sure you do this one very nicely. Okay? Okay, now the question for you is 24 meters into centimeter. So keep remember here, we need to move from bigger unit to smaller unit. When we move from bigger to smaller unit, what we do? We always multiply. Use the conversion unit as 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter.
Mom, we want to do secret language.
What do you want to do?
Secret language.
Secret language?
Yes.
Done everyone? Nike, there is something wrong.
Ma'am, I think so. Didn't send the unit.
Yes. Okay. Let's do. So if 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so 24 meter will be 24 into 100, which is 24
2400.
100 centimeters. Clear everyone? Okay. Next question. Your question is 21 meter and 62 centimeters into centimeter. Now make sure what I've given 21 meter and 62 centimeter. The whole you should convert into centimeters. So again, the first thing, this is already in centimeter. Okay, take everyone, take 2 minutes, complete, then we will discuss. Very good, Kushwant. Very good, Prince.
Ma'am, these are bacha questions.
Okay. Let's change the conversion unit then.
Ma'am, but we have sent.
Yes, very good. For next question, I will change the conversion unit. Hope, Mr. Bedi, and Nike is still remaining. Hope got the answer wrong.
I don't know what happened with Crown Prince today.
He's doing very good today.
I'm on fire.
Yes.
How did Hope get this easy peasy question?
Nike, I think you did some mistake. Mr. Bedi also got it wrong. Okay. Let's discuss. Now try to understand. The first thing, we will focus on the conversion unit. So it will be 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now understand. We need to convert everything into centimeter. This is already given into centimeter, so let's keep it at a side. This is 21 meter. Now, when we move on from bigger to smaller unit, we always multiply. So what we will do? 21 into 100. That gives me 2100 centimeter. Now, I need to convert this complete thing into centimeter. This is in centimeter, this is in centimeter. Now what I can do? I can add both these. So what did I get the answer is? 2162 centimeters.
Ma'am,
Can you
I
wait
know
for
my
a minute?
mistake.
I want to note it down.
What happened?
Mom, I want to note it down.
Okay, no problem. I'm waiting. I will not raise the screen.
Ma'am, I understood my mistake. Not done 62 plus 62.
Oh, you forget this. See, when both the two things are given, so what thing is already given in centimeter, that will be remaining in centimeter only. We will convert meter to centimeter and then we will add it. So we will get the final answer. Okay, let me
Mama.
know. Done? Shall I raise?
Yes, mom.
Okay. Now, next one. Okay. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters?
Now we have to send it in
1000.
chat.
It's okay, you can speak for this one.
1000.
1000.
Very good. Everyone knows this? That 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay. Now send me in the chat box. 6 kilometer will be how many meters?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yes, it is very, very easy.
7000 meters will be how many kilometers? Two questions, easy. Send me the answers of two altogether so that Ragni ma'am can mark it at one go. Okay?
Ma'am, I think so you were sending one. I sent the first one.
No problem. Then do it for the first one only. Second one, I will give another chance. Keep remember the conversion unit. Keep remember when we are moving from a smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide. When we move from bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. Oh, two kids have got hurts. What does it mean that you have done for both? Everyone is getting hurt from ma'am.
Ma'am, that's a bacha question.
That's a easy question.
It is not easy. It is bacha.
Means the same only. Veera is remaining.
How did Veera?
Why is Veera taking so long to do this bacha question?
Hold on, hold on. She will send the answer.
मेरे को लोटस जिसको अच्छे नहीं लगे।
मैम
Veera, you're facing difficulty?
देख के चले जाओ, मैं दूध पी के
मैम it is not she, it is he.
Oh, yeah, so sorry. Where is Veera? Veera done? Okay, he got disconnected. No issue. Okay, let's discuss the question. Okay, now see, in the first one, we are moving from bigger to smaller unit. When we are moving from bigger to smaller unit, what we will do? We multiply. What is the conversion unit? 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So what we will do? 6 into 1,000. That's going to give me answer as 6,000 meters. Yes. So sorry. Yes, that's going to give me answer as 6,000 meters. So what will come here? 6,000. Now, the next one. Okay. In the next one, we just need to do vice versa. We have smaller unit, we need to move on to the bigger unit. Yes, what is my conversion unit? 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So let's do first 3 zeros. I can remove these 3 zeros. At the end, also 3 zeros. So I can directly write 7 kilometer. Or I can divide 7,000 by 1,000. Then also I'm going to get 7. Easy? Okay. Let's do the another one. Make sure, don't forget the conversion unit, that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Next question for everyone. 4,892 meters into kilometer and meter.
Mom sent.
Okay, Ragni ma'am will just check.
Ask her good.
Ma'am, I sent the answer.
Okay, ma'am will just check.
Ma'am, that's a kids question.
Ah, okay. 3 kids got it right, but so do you think it's a kids question?
Oh, ma'am.
And maybe others can also got that right.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am,
Yes.
for translate, so can I take a short little nap?
Ah, really? How you will take a short little nap in 2-3 minutes? Oh, many of the kids got it wrong. Okay, let's discuss the question. Now, see, what is our conversion unit? That 1 kilometer in equal to 1,000 meters. Now, make sure. What do we have? We have a smaller unit. We, we have a smaller unit. We need to move from smaller to bigger unit. Yes? Now, when we move from smaller to bigger unit, we always do the division. Now, we have two ways to solve the question. 4, 8, 9, 2. How many zeros are there? 3. So these three numbers will be aside. So what will my answer become? 4 kilometer and 892 meters. Why 4 kilometer? 3 zeros. So I will remove
Ma'am,
these three
because
numbers.
1,000 meters.
Yes.
Because there are 3 zeros.
Yes, so I will remove these three numbers. I will make it as 4 kilometer and 892 meters. Another way what we can do by dividing it. Why we will divide? Because we are moving from smaller to bigger unit. So what we will do? We will do 4892 divided by thousands. Okay. Now, four numbers. So, I will take my all four numbers. Now, by what number I can choose? I cannot choose 5 because 1000 into 5 is going to be 5000. So, I need to choose 4 only. I will subtract this with 4000 minus. What did I get? As a remainder, I will get 892. So, this is going to become my 4 kilometer and this is going to become my 892 meters. Anyone has any doubt?
No,
Raise
ma'am.
your hands if you have doubt. Anyone? Clear? Everyone? I will give a similar question like this. Okay, before that, do you all want a break?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Tic tac
Six
toe.
zero kato.
You want to play tic tac toe?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's play tic tac toe, but only 5 class. Okay? Okay, let's start with the question.
Ma'am, it's already more than it's already been more than half an hour.
Yes, so that's what I'm saying, no, that we need to continue. Please, I don't want anyone's annotation now. Please, Veera, no, focus on the question. Okay, your question is 2589 meter into kilometers and meter. I just explained the similar type of question. So I believe everyone must do it right. Don't forget your conversion unit is 1 kilometer is equal to thousands meter. Very good, Crown Prince. Very good, Ivy.
I also said. All the questions correct.
Veera, you did some error.
Ma'am, I did the unit. I sent the unit.
No, no, see, you missed out something.
Ma'am, I did the annotation by mistake.
Very good, Kushwant. You also got that correct.
Oh. I don't know why I'm getting all the questions correct.
Maintain silence in the class while others are doing question. They will get disturbed, no? Very good. This time everyone is getting correct. Veera has done some silly error, I believe.
Ma'am, I have sent.
You have
I-
sent again.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am will check then. Nike got it still wrong. Very good. Hope also got it correct. Very good. Veera got it correct. Now, Veera, did you understand your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Eva is left.
Ma'am. Ma'am, I did not attend the last class, so I don't know this topic.
Okay, but I just explained, no? Okay, no problem. Let me make you revise again. Okay, now see. We need to convert this into kilometers and meters. Okay, what is my conversion unit? That 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Yes, now see, meter is the smaller unit. We need to move from smaller to bigger unit. So what I told you, when we are moving from smaller to bigger unit, see, these are two things, small and big. When you move from small to big, you always divide. When you move from big to small, you always multiply. Yes?
Yes.
Now, what we need to do? We have two ways of solving. First, write down the number. What's our number? 2589. Now, see, in the conversion unit, three zeros are there. Underline three numbers. These three numbers will be your meter and the remaining one will be your kilometer. So what answer you will get? 2
Kilometers
kilometers.
is 589 meters.
Yes,
Okay.
589
Me.
meters. Did you get Eva?
Yes, ma'am. Now I understand.
Okay. Another way what you can do to solve is that you can divide 2589 by thousands. Yes, when you will divide this by 1,000, if you see there are four numbers, so you will take all four numbers for the division.
Yes.
Obviously, you will choose 2. So 1,000 into 2 is 2,000. Minus, you get 589. Whatever is your remainder is your meters. Whatever is your quotient is your kilometers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Shall I give in another question to everyone? Okay. Next conversion unit we will be focusing is 1 liter is equal to 1,000 grams. Yes? Okay. Let's try picking up the question of this. Very simple question to everyone. 5,000 grams is equal to how many liter? Oh, sorry, I did bad. It's milliliter. My bad. I'm not doing kilograms. It's milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1,000
5 liter
milliliters.
beach.
Yes. So 5,000 milliliter is how many liters? Most important thing you need to see whether you're moving from smaller to bigger unit or bigger to smaller unit. When we move from smaller to bigger, we divide. When we move from bigger to smaller, we multiply. Very good. Everyone is getting correct till now.
Ma'am, I cannot send the answer.
Why?
Ma'am, there is a technical issue, I think so. But I know the
Okay.
answer.
Ivan has sent answer to me. Eva has sent the answer to me. Eva, your answer is correct.
Ma'am, I can speak the answer?
Hold on, hold on. Let everyone do. Then you can speak. Nike is remaining. Let Nike also answer. Then I will ask you. Nike, what happened?
How did Hope get it wrong?
Okay, Nike has sent. Okay, yes,
Ma'am, can
Mr. Bedi. What's the answer?
5 liters.
Yes, so the correct answer for this is 5 liters. Why
Ma'am,
5?
can I join again?
Okay, sure. Why 5 liters? Because we have smaller unit. From smaller, we need to move on to the bigger unit. So what we will do? 5,000 divided by thousands. When we will divide, so we will get the answer as 5. Or what we can do? 3 zeros. 3 zeros. Zeros have no value. So we can easily get 5 liters. Okay. Next one. Next question for you all is
Fun, but no.
24 grams
Ma'am, grams?
into kg and gram.
Ma'am, easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Hold on, let me correct this. Okay, so what's the conversion unit? We have the conversion unit as 1
thousand.
kg is equal to
1000 meters.
1000 grams.
Grams.
Okay, Eva, I want the correct answer from you this time. Okay?
Ma'am, you know the full form of kg?
Yes, of course.
Now what is it?
You tell me what is it?
Knowledge?
Knowledge?
Knowledge general of GK knowledge general.
Who told you this?
Ma'am, I just thought of it and my name Kushagra Goyal, KG.
Yes, it's Kushagra Goyal only. Who is going to tell me what is the full form of kg?
Ma'am, knowledge
Goyal.
general only. Kilogram.
Yes, who said?
Veera.
Very good, Veera.
Ma'am is not checking.
kg is kilogram and g means grams.
Don't understand.
Who is saying
I'm not.
Nike?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Okay, Nike, I will explain.
ma'am,
so
Kushbu
many
didn't send the unit.
Yes, something she has missed. Oh, no, he has missed. Kushwant.
Ma'am, Kushbu's answer is fishy. Something fishy in his answer.
Yes, there is something fishy in his answer.
Kidzo?
No, it will not be a kizzo.
Mama, I sent.
No. Ma'am, that's cheating. Got all the questions correct. Will the end of the class get all questions correct? Will I get a kidzo?
Yes, Ragni ma'am will give you.
No, Mahe Ragini ma'am will not give you free kidzos.
Ma'am,
Okay.
he will not get. That's cheating.
Yes, no. Is that very cheating?
He will not get a kidzo because that's a cheating.
Okay, then we will not get.
In the class, everyone will get. Everyone get all question correct. Everyone will get 3 kidzos.
No, not at all. Okay, Eva, did you get the answer? Are you able to solve?
Battery went out, so I just joined right now. Can you give me a little bit more time? I'm just
Okay.
sending the answer right now.
Okay. Okay.
I will get a kid so. No,
No, Crown Prince.
Hope,
never ever.
check your answer. You did some mistake.
This is not fair.
Find the correct answer, but mom has put the arrow. I don't know why.
Maybe there must be something fishy in your answer then. That's why ma'am has put the arrow.
Mom, but I have checked also this KM.
Check your units. Maybe you have written wrong unit.
Why if we put wrong units, ma'am, just put the arrow, not this. Because it is wrong only.
Maybe she has done some silly mistake. That's why ma'am is putting arrow. Oh, very good. Eva got this time correct. Okay, let's look on to the question. Okay, we have two ways again to solve a question. Okay, now let's focus on the two ways. 24. Okay, the first thing, the conversion unit is 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Yes, this is 24 grams. So, what we will do? 2400 we will write. Three zeros. So, these three numbers I will take out separately. This is going to become my grams. And I am just left with 2. That will become my 2 kg. So, what is my answer? 2 kg 400 grams. Yes, Naik?
Yes.
Another way, what I can choose, as I am moving from smaller to bigger unit. When I move always from smaller to bigger unit, I always choose division. So, what I will be doing? 2400 divided by 1000. When I will do 2400 divided by 1000, whatever is my quotient will be my kgs. Whatever I got at the last, my remainders is my grams. So what we will do? 1000 into 2, that gives me 2000. My remainder becomes 400. So I got 2 kgs and 400 grams. Yes? Okay. Now, another question to each one of you. Okay. Please focus nicely while you do this question. Okay? 1767 milliliters into
Lily.
liter and milliliter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everyone keep remember what's our conversion unit? That 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters.
Mom sent. Mom sent.
Okay, ma'am, will just check your answer.
Easy peasy lemon squeeze.
Very good, Eva. You got this time correct. And very quick.
Ma'am, I also got it correct. Ma'am, this is a very easy. Ma'am,
Okay,
Ma'am.
ma'am, main focus is on Nike answers.
now imagine he gets all the questions correct, but the last question wrong.
No problem.
Then he will not get it.
Ma'am, I sent the answer.
Ma'am will just check.
Why Mr. Berry is so stressed?
Very good, Nike. You also got correct this time.
Ma'am, I think before this question, Mr. Bedi was thinking about Ayu and Pihu, so he got the questions wrong.
Oh,
Ma'am, he is saying wrong.
No, because whenever I see him, he is watching Ayu and Pihu show.
Hope
Whenever
only
I did
your
not
answer
watch
is
it.
remaining.
Hope also got it correct.
Very good. Okay,
Ma'am,
one
next
last question. Quick. Now, everyone focus very, very nicely. Okay? Your question is
1 plus 1.
62 kilometers, 789 meter into meters.
And I cannot understand only.
62 kilometer, 789 meter into meter.
Ma'am said
6,989.
Who is speaking? Please keep yourself on mute.
Ma'am, can I leave?
No?
Ma'am, it is 6 o'clock already.
So what?
Ma'am, will I get a kid zone now?
Ma'am, we spent 42 minutes playing tic tac. No? Maybe because if children do it quickly and nobody gets it wrong, and ma'am can give one more question.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, we had spent 42 minutes playing tic tac toe. No, Evangeline, you joined late. But still, we started the work at.
What happened? What happened? We started the class at 5:05, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Evangeline joined late.
Very good. I can give one more question.
Ma'am, I already said it to tell Mahi.
Yes.
Maybe,
Hope,
ma'am.
Nike and Eva is still left. So let's wait for them to answer.
Ma'am, can we?
No, I just said no one can leave. We will do
Veera?
one more question.
No, ma'am.
Mira?
That's cheating.
Yes. One day I saw a short and it said, today Kallu Chor is coming to our house. Kallu Chor.
Hope you get that wrong.
Today Kallu Chor is coming to our house.
Nike and Eva, I'm waiting for your answers.
So and we have only a 5 rupiah, so we can hide it. Kallu Chor will come and take it.
What is the conversion unit?
Ma'am,
1 kilometer is equal
Equals
to
to
1000 meters.
meters.
Let's wait a minute for Nike and Eva to answer. Otherwise, Prince, Veera, and Mr. Bedi is going to help me to solve this question.
Ma'am, can I also?
Okay, you can also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if I get it correct, will I get a kid zone?
No.
No. Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes.
Hold on.
You are a cheater.
I
do
don't
cheating
have
with us.
any kidzo to give to anyone. You all can ask with sir. Sir is going to give you all kidzo. Okay?
No, ma'am.
Sir,
No. No,
Okay,
ma'am. That's cheating. You're doing cheating with us.
I am doing cheating. Nike and Eva, what happened?
No.
Okay, Nike got it correct. Eva?
Ma'am, you are doing the correct thing. I shall get a kid zone.
I
ma'am,
think Eva is still solving.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, on 13th September, it was my little sister's birthday, who is now 1 year.
Oh, that's good. Okay, Hope got it wrong.
It is my birthday, 14 September.
Let's discuss the question. Now, see, everything needs to be converted into meter. If we see 789 is already in meters, so we will not convert it because it's already given in meters. What we need to convert? 62 kilometer. Now, keep remember, when we are moving from kilometers to meters, means we are moving from bigger to smaller unit. We choose to multiply.
Multiply.
What is the conversion unit? My conversion
Multiply.
unit is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000
1,000
meters.
meters.
So what I will do? 62 kilometer is equal to 62 into 1000, which is going to become 62,000
Okay.
meters.
Ma'am, the
Now
class
this
is
is
Now
in
we
meter and this is also in meter. I need to write complete answer in meter. So what I will do? I will do the addition.
Ma'am, we
60.
have to addition 789 plus.
Yes, so we will add 789. 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 7 is 7. So what do we get as an answer?
62789 meters.
2789 meters. Hope, where did you make the mistake?
Ma'am, I did not convert 62 in meters.
Why? It was given in kilometers, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has any doubt? No? Let's end the
No, ma'am.
class.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye bye. Have a good day. Everyone performed very well. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Mom,